In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back to home in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool known for its capability to organize notes, tasks, databases, and more. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, knowing how to easily navigate to the home view is crucial for maintaining an efficient workflow. Let's dive in. To find your way back to the home view in Notion, start by locating the left sidebar. The sidebar is typically positioned on the left side of your screen and acts as your control panel, giving you immediate access to all your pages and workspaces. You'll find various icons and names here, each corresponding to different sections and pages within your Notion setup. Look for the icon labeled Home within this sidebar. It's usually at the top, making it easy to access whenever you need it. Clicking on Home will seamlessly transport you to the Notion home view. Once you're there, you'll notice it's a sort of command center designed to give you an overview of your entire workspace at a glance. The home view in Notion is particularly useful because it houses several key features. Here, you'll immediately see any recent pages you've worked on. This is great for quickly jumping back into an ongoing project or revisiting notes that require a bit of polishing. Frequent visitors to your home view will also benefit from the Favorites section. If there are specific pages or databases you access regularly, you can mark them as a favorite, ensuring they're always just a click away. Additionally, the home view keeps you updated with any new modifications within your workspace. If a colleague updated a shared page or if there's a new task assigned to you, you'll be informed right here. This streamlines collaboration and keeps all team members on the same page, literally and figuratively. Here are a few helpful tips to enhance your Notion experience. Consider customizing your sidebar to better fit your personal workflow. You can rearrange, add, or remove items to make the navigation even more efficient. Familiarizing yourself with keyboard shortcuts can also speed up this process. Command Palette. Accessed by pressing Ctrl+P or CMD+P on Mac, allows you to quickly jump to any page by typing its name, including your home. Understanding how to navigate to the home view efficiently can significantly elevate your overall productivity within Notion. It binds together a variety of tools and updates that are indispensable for organizing your workload and staying on top of your tasks. So next time you need to get back to home, just remember the sidebar is your best friend. Click and you're right back where everything you need is at your fingertips. When you master these simple navigation steps, the power of Notion's home view becomes clear. It's more than just a landing page. It's your centralized hub of information and action items, helping you keep everything sorted and easily accessible. Thank you for watching, and now you're equipped with another essential Notion navigation skill. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.